I really like razors from Harry's. I'm on the subscription plan. I get a bunch sent to me every couple of months, and I've been using these for years, and I really like them. I think they're a good deal for the price, and I like the fact that it's a fairly simple style razor. But they have a flaw, at least for me. I don't know if it's a flaw for everybody, but for me, there's something that really bugs me about these, and that's that there is a little blade at the back of the razor for trimming sideburns or under your nose. But in my experience, it tends to cut me more than anything else. I end up cutting the underside of my nose or cutting my earlobes. And so I'm going to show you how to fix that problem if the trimming razor bothers you too.
So the way I fix these Harry's razors is pretty straightforward. Get the razor out of the case, hold it by the edges so you don't get cut. And then the tricky part, where you have to be careful too, because obviously it's a sharp razor, get a thin screwdriver blade, come in underneath that little trimmer blade, and just pry it up. And it does take some force, but it'll come up. And then once you've got it lifted up a little bit, then you can grab with some needle nose pliers and you just pull it out. And be careful, because this is sharp, so very easy to cut yourself. So you want to be careful when you dispose of these too. What I usually do is wrap them in a little bit of tape or something so that they don't cut people. And then just put the razor back in the case and you're good to go. Okay, so once the blades are out of the razors, these little trimming blades are out, here's how I dispose of them. I just take some tape, in this case some blue painter's tape, and I'll take and put these on here. And again, you don't want to cut yourself, but basically my goal here is just to kind of wrap these up in a way that the edges are protected so people don't cut themselves. And then once I've done that, I feel like it's pretty safe to throw it in the trash. Because you'd have to, even if you bend this thing, it's really not going to cut you.
So I hope that's helpful to you. If you pull the blades out of your Harry's razors and you like them better, please let me know in the comments. Also, check out the Harry's website. They make some good stuff. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe.